And so they tested it. And then the DEA refused to allow this physician to administer psilocybin under right to try. So Catherine Tucker was one of a handful of attorneys that brought suit against the DEA. 3.5 years later, we're still winding its way through courts. DEA, as you can imagine, intractable where it comes. So they're looking at two things. One is allow psilocybin under right to try or reschedule into just Schedule 2, which all that does is allow physicians to prescribe and makes it easier to do research. So we'll see what happens with that. But then she also brought suit against the Oregon Health Authority to allow for reasonable accommodation under American Disabilities Act for psilocybin in the home. So we'll see where that goes. The state's already fired their first salvo back. So we'll see where that goes. I personally think legislation is going to be the way to go there. And by that, I mean amending the existing law that's on the books for psilocybin